read a quote about love that said, "I knew I did from that first moment we met." It was not love at first sight exactly, but
that I will go before you, 'cause I don't think that I could live a day without you. You're everything I hope for, but
familiarity.
I never thought I'd ever find.
Like, oh,
feel at home
hello.
in your eyes, and I just wanna stay here through the tears and the fights, 'cause I can see it so clear. There'll be a
It's you.
time where we have to
Cutest
say
memory.
goodbye.
It's going to be
I found
you.
in this one, so I find you in every lifetime.
Question, dito na ba tayo?
Alright, sarap ng hangin dito, pre.
Pagbibigay sa kapwa, tama.
Lagi ka naman tama eh. Kinuha ni Ken lahat. Aeroplano.
Aeroplanong papel.
Aeroplanong papel sa iyong kaarawan. Oh my God, ang baho nung pinaamoy niya sa akin.
Sino ba kayo? Anong ginagawa niyo sa amin? Bakit dalawa?
Ewan ko sa kanya. Lang muna po. Akin.
Oh no, nasira.
Akin na muna yan.
No, sige yan. Eh bakit ikaw? Anong gusto niyo? Ha? Ang tawag sa gawa ni Ken ay maximalist. You know?
Sabi ko na, may lang talaga eh.
May labubo.
Dapat may may popcorn.
May Popman. The cutest member.
At sa wakas ay nagtabi sa may sulok ng simbahan. Ating kamay ay nagtabi at nabuo ang aking gabi. Alas 12 na sinta, oras na para tayo ay magsama. Kulang ang Pasko kung wala ka. Pwede bang sabay nating kumpletuhin ang simbang gabi upang sa mga susunod na alas 12 ay ikaw.
Chika minute. Chika minute.
Hey, don't hurt him.
Kumpito seryosohin mo na ako. Bakit lagi na lang sa tao na hindi handa? O di naman may mahal ng iba na mula. Sabi na muna tama na. Ayaw pa ulit ang aking darama ko'y namumula. Sabi ng puso kaya ba hindi ko itigil kahit wala. Ikaw pa rin sinta.
Alright.
Grabe, partner. Nakikita mo ba yan?
Yes.
Punong-puno. Pero hindi lang yan yung tao dito. Ha? Meron pang iba. Meron pang
Di kita marinig, partner. Ayusin mo.
pang ibang viewers, partner. Bukod sa live audience.
Hello po sa inyong lahat dyan. Ayun po yung camera natin. Magbabay ka, partner.
Yan, hello po sa ating
Partner,
viewers
magkakaroon
sa
tayo
camera. Hello po.
Hi po sa lahat ng mga nanonood natin ngayon.
18, Araneta, welcome sa Show Break Live!
Okay, partner. Tama na yan, partner. Tama na yan.
Tama na, partner.
Meron ba tayong ibang kasama ngayon?
May iba pa tayong kasama?
Oh, asan na ba yung mga kasama natin? Tawagin na natin.
Uy, bakit? Ba't ka pa naghahanap? Di pa ba ako sapat?
Ay, hindi pwede yung partner. Talaga.
Capture it, remember it, 'cause I don't know how it gets better than this. You take my hand and drag me.
Very
Simple
interesting
lang
game.
ang game na to, partner. Alam mo ba
Okay.
itong game na to, partner?
Hindi ko alam yan, partner. Kaya gusto ko mapakinggan mula sa mga bibig mo.
Oh,
Ganito, partner. Charades.
charades?
Okay ba? Nag-joke lang ako, partner.
Hindi marunong tumawa yung partner eh. Siya naman, corny naman siya. Corny na partner. Okay. Okay, hindi. Partner, ayaw mo na ba ako makasama partner?
Mamaya, magkikita pa tayo partner. For this game lang.
Grabe ka lang sa akin doon. Dami yung suki rin.
Pasensyahan na lang, Team 2. Ikaw na muna bahala kay partner.
We cannot repeat that, darling. I'm sorry.
Darling?
Way, but you pull me
Panalo ka na. Pero ang tanong,
first, 'cause it's flawless.
Sa piling mo bumabagal lumintang mundo. Sa piling mo
With the gun on that I roll over. Push the shot, music dies or I'm colder. Grabbing purpose, so you know I'm stronger. Do they you the hardest in the scene, but I'm colder. With the gun on that I run over. I was bleed, I'm a bird, not the bleeder. I'm the baddest feeling, I'm a super bleeder. I choose violence today, but you know
I just wanna live in my imagination, where hatred does not exist. Here the moonlight is brighter than ever, and the stars shine just for us. And your eyes can see everything you and I are imagining. Inch by inch we're moving closer, feels like a fairy tale ending. Take my heart, this is the moment. I'm moving closer to you. I'm moving closer to you. Closer.
Direction I see. As long as we keep this low, 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 low key. You ain't even gotta low, 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 love me. I said my king side.
This SB19 member is going real crazy cray.
Hindi niya alam yan, panigurado.
meron siyang ano eh. Pero wala akong nakaing ano.
Wrong ka nga, huwag ka na magpaliwanag.
Ito munchkin, malaking munchkin.
Ako yung mabango. Yung perfume.
Ha?
Oo, yung mabango na Avon.
Galing ka.
Bagal na dyan. Wala ka pa rin talaga dyan.
Seryoso ka ba't si ginagawa?
Mabunggo ka bigla. Good luck. Galingan nyo.
Bye, losers. Pero after to nga, hindi ko pa naabutan yung fencer.
Paano maabutan ni Ken yun? Laging late si Ken. Okay.
Ano yan?
Bahala ko na dyan.
Light stick.
Papaluin kita.
Panalo! Ay! Panalo! Panalo! Panalo!
Sino mata?
Hindi ko kilala eh. Yan, pwede na sa walking dead. Hello everyone, I'm Justin of SB19 at ako ang pinaka mabait sa grupo.
Corny ka ako.
Hello po sa inyong lahat dyan. Ayun po yung camera natin. Magbabay ka, partner.
Yan, hello po sa ating viewers sa camera. Hello po.
Ayun po sa lahat ng mga nanonood na natin ngayon.
Tignan na ako, partner.
Ayos, narinig nga na, partner. Nice one, partner. Nice one.
Alam niyo,
I hear you clearly.
can hear me now.
Yes, magse-celebrate tayo ng half a decade natin.
Oo nga pala.
Yes. Kaya siyempre magpa-andar tayo dito ngayon.
Paandar?
May pa-andar,
May kotse.
Yan. Oo, meron kotse. Ay, hindi, wala kotse pa.
Wala.
Grabe naman. Oh.
Okay.
Siyempre, meron ba tayong ibang kasama ngayon?
Ikaw pa tayong kasama?
Oh, asan na ba yung mga kasama natin? Tawagin na natin.
Uy, bakit ka ba nag-aanap? Di pa ba ako sapat?
Ay, hindi pwede yung partner talaga. Hindi. Oy, katahimik ka. Isang minuto para kay Ken. Ganito kasi yung partner. Heart yan, di ba?
Oo.
Dito, isa lang naman dyan. Pero pag napuno yan, apat na yung laman pa rin. Pasok na kasi.
Mas masaya pag kumpleto tayo.
Oo. Apat yan, so.
Alam mo, okay. Stay na sa partner.
Hindi ko alam yan, partner. Kaya gusto ko mapakinggan mula sa bibig mo.
Oh. Simple lang to. Ang SB19 ay short days. Pero with the twist of SB9.
Sige, ganito partner, Sherwin.
Sherwin.
Sige, joke na ka, partner. Hindi marunong tumawa yung partner eh. Siya naman corny naman siya.
Okay na, partner.
Okay, ayaw mo na ba ako makasama, partner?
Mamaya, magkikita pa tayo, partner.
Bakit ka lang sa akin doon? Dami.
Partner siya. Ako, confident ako sa team namin. Alam mo kung bakit? Mga descendant na mga great philosophers to. Great philosopher? Oo, talagang gagano'n lang kami. Ano yun? Sige, patunayan niyo.
I cannot repeat that, darling. I'm sorry.
Darling? Hindi ko anong sabi.
I thought that I was stronger. When you gonna realize that you don't even have to try any longer. Do what you want to. Girl, put your records on. Tell me your favorite song.
I want to ask you guys, who's the best looking in the band?
Best looking in the band?
I think it's you. It's you.
I love it. Salamat.
Aaminin ko na nang di na puro pa. Para-paraan, yan ka na naman. Yang mga tinginan mo na yan.
The club isn't the best place to find the lovers, at the bar is where I go. Me and my friends at the table doing shots, drinking fast, and then we talk slow. And you come over and start up a conversation with just me, and trust me, I'll give it a chance. Now my hands stop, and the man on the jukebox, and then we start to dance. And I'm singing like, girl, you know I want your love. Your love was handmade for somebody like me. Well, come on now, follow my lead.
Mom's telling me my energy's so bewitching. So I'll go first, there's an open bar, let's close this distance.
Sa inyong 5, sino ang pinakagwapo? Ang pogi niya. Pogi po kasi siya.
Sure girl, sino sa apat i-delete ko? Siguro Justin. Mabait si Justin eh. Mabait si Justin, pogi. Siyempre, given naman yan. Ang pogi talaga si Justin, sobra.
Parang may crush na kay Justin eh.
Okay, sarap isipin kasama kang tumanda. Ibibili ng balot pag mahinang tuhod, kukuha ng gamot pag sumakit ang likod. Okay, sarap isipin kasama kang tumanda.
You just want me to be inside you. No, it's not true. It's not true. Don't be jealous. It's for jealousy.
Stand still, beauty in all she is. I will be brave. I will not let anything take away. Standing in front of me, every breath, every hour has come to this. One step closer. I have died every day waiting for you, darling. Don't be afraid. I have loved you for 1,000 years. I love you for 1,000 more. And all along I believed I would find you. Time has brought your heart to me. I have loved you for 1,000 years. I love you for 1,000 more. One step closer.
Kenton Hoot Road Trip.
Cause I'm falling slowly in love with you. 오랫동안 기다려 너는 봄이야. Cause I'm falling slowly in love with you. 다시 지워진다 해도 all my life is you.
Of the weather because they were here to join us and syempre to embrace us.
Justin is missing, huh? No! What is that? What is that, huh?
She's been talking to Chismis, another the gossip boy.
I'm back here.
The gossip boy.
You're missing there, huh?
You just want me to be beside you.
No, that's not true. That's not true.
Don't be jealous. I'm so jealousy.
So in love talaga, di ko mapigilan na. Pag nakakasama ka, iba ang nadarama. Mga titik.
Nakakita mo yung post ko sa TikTok ni Oren na t-shirt ko?
Wala, sinagsabi ka na.
Someone's longing for Justin's Aegyo.
Going on. Go now in 3, 2, 1.
Sandal mo sana ang ulo mo sa una. Katawan mo ay aking kukumutan. Mga problema ay iyong malilimutan. Habang tayo'y magkayakap sa dilim. For you.
Pagod ka? Ano? Double sa po? Pero you look good.
If you like, then I drive it with the windows down. If you like, going places we can't even pronounce. If you like to do whatever. I don't want to live without you. Nothing's gonna change
Kaya mo naman yan.
And I don't want you to throw them back at me. Throw them back at you. And I don't want you. Don't you want me like I want you, baby? Don't you need me like I need you now? Sleep tomorrow, but tonight go crazy. All you gotta do is just meet me at the.
Ako na magpariban at mag-ahit ng kilay at least once a month. Hindi ko alam kung anong meron ka na sa akin ay nagpalambot ng bigla. Sinong mag-aakalang lalaki pala ang bibiyag sa tulad kong tigring gala. Kahit
maganda ang paligid, kung bawat tao ay puno ng pag-ibig, napapawi ang bigati.
Hindi ko pa kalalaman.
Fairness naman sa akin, never pa ako natalo sa mga ganito.
Pero ayaw ibigay yung card mo.
Wala na kung pake, basta bahala na.
alam ko lang kasing minamahal kita.
Kahit pa sabihin na
sa hindi ka itinadhana.
In that way, but I would be lying. And I pretend I'm happy for you when you find some dude to take home. But I won't deny that in the midst of the crowds and the shapes in the clouds, I don't see nobody but you. In my rose-tinted dreams, wrinkled silk on my sheets, I don't see nobody but you. Boy, you got me hooked to something. Who could say that they saw us coming? Tell me, do you feel the love? Spend the summer of a lifetime with me. Let me take you to the place of your dreams. Tell me, do you feel the love?
Justin, sino nga yung ano nagda-drawing na may aso siya nakasama? Oo, si Blues Blues. Yung gusto ko.
Hindi ka nanood niya?
Hindi ako nanood yan eh.
Mr. Lover, lover, woo! Mr. Lover, lover, sexy undercover. She call me Mr. Bombastic, tell me fantastic. Touching on me back, she says I'm Mr. Romantic. Tell me fantastic, touching on me back, she says I'm Mr. Boom.
Alam mo ba, munti ka na sumuko ang puso ko sa paulit-ulit na pagkakataon na nasaktan na bigo. Mukhang delikado na naman ako. Bakit ba kinikilig na naman ako? Pero ngayon ay parang kakaiba. Pag nakatingin sa iyong mata, ang mundo ay kalma. Ngayong andyan ka na, di magmamadali ko lang ang katabi.
Oh no, the dog is wet.
No, he's playing.
It's raining. Oh no, the dog. Oh, the dog.
The dog.
Tanong dahil ikaw ang katiyakan ko. Hindi na ako bibitaw. Iyangi ko lang para sa'yo. Tingnan mong kulay ng aking sisilbing tanglaw. Ikaw ay di akalain mararamdaman ko muli ang yakap ng panahon habang kumakalabit ang init at sinag ng araw. Huwag kang di naman deli
Schoolboy ka talaga eh, no?
Repeater ako eh.
Sabay po natin abangan. There's only 14 minutes left. 14 minutes. Sana...
Let me take a little moment to find the right word.
Di ko maiwasan pagmasdan ang iyong larawan. Kahit di mo mamalayan, ikaw lang ang gustong tignan. Di ko man masabing kahit na di maaari. Pwede ba kung
this right here is my favorite thing ever in the history of forever. I think about this every day. I think about this all night long. I stay awake, not sleeping, because I'm thinking about this.
Panalo! 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 Palayo!
Hindi ko kilala eh.
Sabi mo! Si Philip.
Mali! Sabi mo, ano?
Pag mali lyrics mo, mali siya.
Ang hirap, Bisaya, yun!
Ano daw yung lyrics?
Ano ba yung sila?
Dagat ko pala yun. Tama yung kay Pao.
Dagat ko pala yun sa imo.
Happy birthday! Thank you.
I never asked for much, only that you stay true.
Miss Kayende, shout out.
I do all the things I do for you. Who can I blame? I played the game well just for now.
Sabuyan ng damit yung aabangan ng ating mga 18.
Naku po, malay niyo si Justin naman po. Kasi pa po. Sabuyan naman. Yung boy yung twist na gagawin nila eh. May just naman po yun.
So lock the door and throw out the key. Can't fight us no more.
Hi everyone! Magkagalan mo na kasi. Pwede? Hindi naman yung madala parang ginawa.
Baby
Kasi akala nila ako
Ako yung mga ganun
sa trailer po, ako po yung nakaganan yung mga kabayan. Yung po yung acting.
Best friend, it was, he is in love. You can hear it